Hey guys, it's Alex with Paragon Performance. Today we're going to be installing our Paragon Performance fire extinguisher mount. This is drilled to fit most aftermarket 2.5 pound fire extinguishers. We also do offer on the site that you can purchase with it a 2.5 pound fire extinguisher. Pretty simple install. Let's get to it. All right, so we got to start here. We got to pull the floor mat out. Just kind of pull it up off the clips there and then fold it out from underneath the seat. You can lift it out. And then we need to actually move the seat all the way back so we can access these two bolts that are on the front side of the seat here. Using your 15mm socket extension and ratchet, we're going to remove these bolts completely. And we're going to grab our Paragon Performance bracket. This bent over portion here on the back goes towards the seat. And you're just going to grab the front of the seat and lift it up off the studs here. And then you'll be able to slide it in underneath it. Just like so. Set the seat back down on the studs. You can kind of position this. It wouldn't hurt to double check your fire extinguisher to make sure it doesn't need to be pushed one way or the other a little bit. We're going to reinstall those 15mm nuts. Like so, we've got the bracket installed. We need to install the bracket first before the fire extinguisher, because with the fire extinguisher in, you won't be able to tighten the bolts back down for the seats. So we're going to take our fire extinguisher. We are going to remove it from the mount and set that to the side. And we're going to take our mount and you're just going to set it here on top of the bracket and basically set it where you get at least 4 holes lined up to hold it in place. We're going to take the M6 hardware that was supplied with it, drop one of those down through, and then you'll need to reach underneath and hold the nut in place to start it. So if you're having issues with getting your fingers under here to hold the bolt, if you take the nut that's supplied with the kit, you can install it on your wrench to hold that for you, and then be able to install the bolt as well. All right, now we're going to grab the 4mm Allen and the 10mm wrench, and we're just going to tighten these down in place. Okay, there you have it. The bracket is installed, and now you can put the fire extinguisher in its mount. Keep in mind that this is usually designed to fit inside of a groove at the head of the fire extinguisher. There you have it. It's a real simple install. If you would like to retain the floor mat, you will need to trim the back of the floor mat here to clear the fire extinguisher mount. As always, like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys next time.